The next part of the discussion is the difference between training and management development. One thing you need to keep in mind that both training as well as management development aims to improve the performance of the managers or the employees. So one of the similarity between training and management development is that both aim to improve the performance of the members whoever has attended it. Now talking about the difference, you can say that training has a commencement date and will have an ending date. At the same time, the training programs will have some concrete and precise goals. For example, the goal of a particular training program may be to impart skills to use a particular machine. But the goals of management development program cannot be so concrete. Why? Because management development program encompasses many aspects of managerial behavior. So it is more comprehensive. At the same time, the management development program is more of a self-assessment task. Here the managers get an opportunity to evaluate their performance by their own. So it is an assessment of the performance of the managers. So there are some characteristics by which you can differentiate between training and management development. The first characteristics is time. As I told you that the time for a training program is limited. There will be limited time within which the training program has to be accommodated. But it is not so in case of a management development. You can say that management development is a continuous process because it is up to the managers to evaluate the performance of the managers at any point of time so that they can improve their performance at the next point of time. It also refers to the number of participants. The number of participants in case of training is very large. It is generally said that whoever newly joins the organization, or if the organization incorporates a new technology, then the organization will impart training to the employees in the organization at a mass level. But this does not happen in case of management development. The number of participants in case of management development is fewer in comparison to the number of participants in case of training. At the same time, it is said that the objectives, as I told you, the focus and objectives of training are quite clear. They are concrete. It may be to improve the skills related to the use of a particular machine. But in case of management development, it can mean different thing. For example, it can also mean improving the leadership quality of a manager. It can also cater to the career growth opportunities for the managers in the organization. So although in case of a training, the focus and objectives are clear and concrete, in case of management development, it is quite haphazard and abstract. Then it is said the facilitation and the methods. Now training will be facilitated by a trainer. There will be a peer. There can be lectures, there can be classroom, there can be lectures conducted in classroom. It does not happen in case of management development. Management development is more self-directed. That means the manager themselves are responsible for developing. Although there are management development programs held in the organization, but the management development program held in the organization is just to facilitate the development of the managers in the organization. It is said that it is up to the managers to consider what they have done in the past and take it and consider it as a basis for improvement in the future. So this is how we have come to an end. You can say notes of 3 pages. It will hardly take 1 or 2 hours, not even 2 hours, 1 or 1.5 hours for you to grasp the whole concept of management development. This is how we have come to an end of your third unit, human resource management. The fourth unit have already been taken up by Joydeep Bhattacharya sir. He has already supplied notes in your WhatsApp group. And the fifth unit, is common with your senior batch. So I have prepared some notes for your senior batch. I will circulate it, at due points of, at due course of time. But for the time being, I will keep a halt on my discussion by completing the third unit of human resource management. And we will begin again by discussing the fifth unit. Fourth unit is already completed. Please check in your WhatsApp group. And the fifth unit will also not take much of a time because it is already prepared. I just need to, I just need to put it in your WhatsApp group. It is already there in the WhatsApp group of your senior batch. So till then, I hope that you will keep pace with your preparation. You will not be reluctant. As the information that probably all of you have received, I have also told this to some of the students who have tried to contact me, that the university have already started the proceedings for exams. So the chances that your exams will be cancelled is very remote, or you can say that there is absolutely no chance that your exam will be cancelled. So you have to keep pace with your preparation. Anyways, next time when we meet, before that, have a good time. Goodbye.